recipe for keeping meat fresh for days. Keeping meat fresh for several days involves proper storage techniques to prevent bacterial growth and spoilage. Here's a simple guideline for storing meat safely in the refrigerator. Ingredients: fresh meat, for example, chicken, beef, pork, or fish. Food storage containers or resealable plastic bags. Paper towels. Refrigerator instructions. 1. Choose fresh meat. Start with fresh, high-quality meat. Ensure it is well packaged and hasn't reached its expiration date. 2. Preparation. If your meat is in a packaging that's not airtight, or if you've purchased it from a butcher, transfer it to an airtight food storage container or resealable plastic bag. 3. Pat dry. Use paper towels to pat the meat dry. Excess moisture can promote bacterial growth and spoilage, so it's essential to remove any surface moisture. 4. Store at the right temperature. Place the meat in the coldest part of your refrigerator, which is usually the back of the bottom shelf. The temperature should be kept at or below 40° F, 4° C, to slow down bacterial growth. Use a refrigerator thermometer to monitor the temperature. 5. Keep meat separate. To prevent cross-contamination, store raw meat away from other foods in your fridge. Use a separate shelf or container if possible. If you have multiple types of meat, store them separately or in their own sealed bags or containers. 6. Use or freeze within a few days. For optimal freshness, plan to use or freeze the meat within 1, 2 days for poultry and fish, and 3, 5 days for beef, pork, and lamb. Label the container or bag with the date of purchase or the date when you stored it in the fridge. 7. Avoid overcrowding. Don't overcrowd your refrigerator, as good air circulation helps maintain a consistent temperature. This prevents hot spots where bacteria can thrive. 8. Check for signs of spoilage. Before cooking, check the meat for any signs of spoilage, such as an off odor, unusual color, or sliminess. If you notice any of these signs, discard the meat. 9. Thaw safely. If you need to thaw frozen meat, do so in the refrigerator, allowing it to thaw slowly over time. Avoid thawing meat at room temperature, as this can promote bacterial growth. 10. Cook thoroughly. When you're ready to prepare the meat, ensure it reaches the recommended internal temperature for safe consumption. Use a meat thermometer to verify that it's cooked properly. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that your meat stays fresh and safe to eat for several days in the refrigerator. Proper storage and temperature control are key to preventing spoilage and foodborne illnesses.